Good morning, it's Matt here from Lamplight. It's the 4th of November. I've got a few changes that are coming to Lamplight next weekend, the 8th, 9th of November 2014, and I thought I'd show you what they are before they arrive. These changes are to make Lamplight more accessible on tablet devices where you're touching instead of clicking. And the main issue with those is that you can't hover. So there's changes. The main changes are to the main menu. So I'll show you here, normally you click there and then hover over there to see the submenu. Now that doesn't happen anymore. And this is true on the desktop as well as if you're looking at it on the tablet. So it's the same everywhere. So you now need to click there to see that submenu. So you click there and then click to add a new work record. And we'll see the second very noticeable change, which is the way that work areas and locations are presented and how you use them. So before, you'll know there was a button and you click the button and you get the list of work areas, and then you'd hover to get the sub work areas. Instead of that, we've got this list of work areas, and when you choose one, you see the sub work areas sliding out to the side. So it's a bit easier to see what you have selected. It's a lot easier to actually choose work areas and sub work areas, and you can see how that works. Now this is all keyboard accessible, so you can use the up and down arrow keys here to change the work area, and if you press tab you'll go over to the sub work areas, and then if I press the space bar you can see that gets selected, and then tab to the next one and space to deselect it again, and then shift tab to go backwards. So that's good, and you carry on through to the location. So if you are using your keyboard mainly, that's a bit easier to use. The other thing I'll just show you quickly, there's now this already exists in Lamplight, but it's maybe something you don't know. If you've got a long list of checkboxes like this and you want to select a load of them, if you click on the first one and then hold shift down on your keyboard and then click further down the list, you can see they all get selected, and then if I click again, they're deselected. So that's quite handy, perhaps in work areas, but probably more so in things like group data views where you've got long list of checkboxes like this. So those are the major changes, the way the main menu works and the way these work areas work. I hope you like them. Yeah, thanks very much. That's all for now. Bye-bye.